For multiplication using the Gelosia method, or sometimes this is called the lattice method. Alright, so what we do, you look at the multiplication here, right, and we've got a 2-digit number times a 2-digit number, so you literally do a 2 by 2 box. Alright, so we can do our box. Okay, 2 by 2 box. Above the box, we're going to write our first number, 37. And then by the side here, the right hand side, we write 52. Okay. Now, next thing we do then is we go to the corner, the right hand corner, top corner of each box. And we draw a diagonal. Okay. Through the rectangle. Okay, so you go to this corner as well. All of the right hand corners, you do a diagonal. Okay. And the final one then through this corner here. So once you've got the diagonals in from each corner and the diagonals go through all of the rectangles, you then start with multiplying. So you go to this box, right? And all you've got to do in this box, you look above, you've got a 3, you look to the right, you've got a 5. So you do 3 times 5, okay? 3 times 5 is 15, and the answer, because it's 15, you put 1 here and 5 here. So you put the tens in this column, the units in that column. Let's go into this box, you've got 7 above, 5 to the right. So 7 times 5, that times that is 35. So you write the 3 here and 5 here, okay? Down to this box here, if you look to the top, you've got a 3, look to the right, you've got a 2. 3 times 2 is 6, okay? So with 3 times 2 is 6, you put a 0 here and a 6 here. Okay, 0 tens, 6 units. And then the last box here then, you look above, you've got a 7, to the right you've got a 2. 7 times 2 is 14. 14, you write the 1 there and the 4 here. Okay, so nice and simple multiplications there. And all you've got to do then to get the final answer for this is you go along the diagonals. Okay, so you're literally going to add the numbers along these diagonals here. So if you notice there, you've got 3, 5 and 0. That adds up to 8. Alright, you have to be careful. You need to start at the bottom here. Okay, it's no good starting here or at the top. You have to start here. Just like when you add, okay, when you add together numbers, you have to start on the right hand side. And this kind of is more on the right hand side than over here. So if you go along this diagonal inside the box, you've just got 4, haven't you? So you've got 4 there. Okay. If we add along this diagonal, 5 and 1 is 6, plus 6 is 12. So 12, now you can only write 1 digit here, so 12 means you put 2 and you're going to carry the 1 into the next diagonal. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus the 0 is still 8, but then you've got this 1 here, so that gives you 9, and then you've got 1 then here in this. So we end up having our answer, 1924. Okay, so if we go on to the second one, right, we'll have a 3 by 2 this time. Okay, so we can draw our grid. Okay, there's our 3 by 2 grid. So you write your number 145 up here, 145, okay, and then you write your number 23 down here, 2, 3, and then we're going to draw in the diagonals for each box, so that all of the boxes have diagonals in them. Okay, and then we can go about multiplying. So if we start off in this top box here, above we've got 1, to the right you've got 2, so 1 times 2 is 2. So 2 means that we've got 2 units, 0 tens. Here then, 4 times 2, okay, so above we've got 4, to the right we've got 2. 4 times 2 is 8, so that's 0, 8. This box, 5 and then 2, 5 times 2 is 10, so 10 will be put 1 and 0 here. If we go along this bottom row now, in this box, we've got 1 above, 3 to the right, so 1 times 3 is 3, so that's 0, 3. This box, on the top you've got 4, on the right you've got 3. 4 times 3 is 12, so 1 and 2. And then this box, 5 at the top, 3 here, 5 times 3 is 15, so 1 there and 5 there. Okay, so you've got everything filled in, and all you've got to do then is add the diagonals, starting at the bottom here on the right hand side, so you've got 5 there. This adds up to give 3. Here you've got 1 plus 8 plus 1 is 10, plus 3 is 13, so you're going to have 3 and carry the 1. Here that just adds up to 2 plus the 1 we've carried, so that gives you 3, and then the final diagonal is just 0, isn't it? So I don't need to write that. I've got my final answer of 3,335.